If you need to insert placeholder text in Microsoft Word, there are a few super easy built-in commands that can save you a lot of time. Whether you're mocking up a document, testing formatting, or just filling space before adding real content later, Word has quick options that generate sample text instantly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll also share a few useful variations so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. If you find this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and click into a blank document or any area where you want the placeholder text to appear. This part is important because the text will be inserted right where your cursor is placed, so make sure you click in the exact spot you want to start. Now, if you want traditional Lorem Ipsum dummy text, type $, then Lorem and add parentheses like this. Equals Lorem open parenthesis, close parenthesis. As soon as you press enter, Word will automatically generate placeholder text for you. This is a great option when you want the classic Latin-style filler text that many designers and writers use in document layouts. If you want random English sentences instead, type =rand and press enter. Word will fill your page with sample sentences pulled from its built-in help topics. This is especially useful when you want placeholder text that looks more like actual English paragraphs instead of Latin-style text. There's also another option called =rand.old parens. If you type that and press enter, Word will generate the repeated phrase, "The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog." This is a well-known sample sentence because it includes many letters of the alphabet, which makes it useful for testing fonts, spacing, and formatting. These commands are really handy because they let you quickly create content without having to copy and paste text from another source. You can use them for drafts, templates, layout testing, or even classroom and office documents where you need temporary text before the final copy is ready. One thing to keep in mind is that these placeholder commands only work if Word recognizes them as a command, so type them exactly as shown. Make sure you include the $, and the parentheses. If it doesn't work right away, just delete it and try again carefully in a new line. Once the placeholder text appears, you can format it just like normal text. You can change the font, adjust the size, bold sections, or apply styles to see how your final document might look. That's one of the best reasons to use placeholder text because it helps you visualize the finished layout before the real content is added, and that's it. You now know how to insert placeholder text in Microsoft Word using =Lorem, =rand, and rand.old. These simple commands can save you time and make document creation much easier. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.